Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to open a SoFi bank account. Opening a SoFi account is a straightforward process you can do entirely online. First, you'll need to gather some basic information and documents. This includes your social security number or ITIN, your date of birth, and a government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport. You must also be at least 18 years old. Once you have your information ready, visit the SoFi website or download the SoFi app. You'll create a profile by entering your personal details. After that, you can select the checking and savings account option. You'll be guided through the application process, where you'll provide the information you gathered earlier. SoFi will verify your identity, which may include asking for a picture of your ID. The process is quick and easy. Once approved, SoFi will automatically open both a checking and a savings account for you. You can then fund your new account through an electronic transfer from another bank or by setting up a direct deposit. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.